I'm not doing all that. What the hell are you doing? Get off the damn thing and finish the doing what you gotta do, man.
Okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Oh, yo, torebe, yo, torebe. Blow my dick, oh, yo, till I read it, yo, blow my dick. What's up with you?
It's your girl. Nah, not the light gonna cut.
Alright, let me do it, bro.
What's up with YouTube? It's your girl, not the light gonna cut, here and back with another video, aka a bang. And if you ain't know, now you know. Bang! Today's video. You should do one. Today's video, we are going to be pranking some people on the monkey app. What are we doing?
Pranking people on the monkey app.
What are we doing?
Pranking people on the monkey app.
What are we doing? So we're going to be pranking people on the monkey app. I'm going to be acting like my little sister came in the room and snatched my wig off. So I don't know who I'm going to get because the monkey app is like real random. So it could be anybody in the world that sees it. But if you see yourself in this video, comment, like, subscribe. So I'm about to show y'all me setting up. Ooh, what that smell? I already got the wig cap on, so when she pulls it off, this is what they're gonna see. But I gotta put the wig on.
You're really here.
Yeah, I gotta put the wig on.
Yeah.
So y'all, I'm gonna leave this like right here,
So like,
so that when she snatch it off, it could be like that, and she could just like easily take it off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bonnet.
so they could know
I'm
like,
gonna put the bonnet like right here, so that they ain't gotta see
like
the piece. Yeah.
yeah.
So I'm gonna put the bonnet. So as you can see, I got the wig like this, so that she could like snatch it off easily. So that she could just snatch it off easily, and it won't even be like a problem. And then I'm gonna just put this bonnet like this, so they can't see nothing. And I'm gonna put my glasses on, so I could act like I'm cute or whatever. I'm be like, hey.
A few moments later.
I'm not scared, y'all.
Yo. Can I see your lips?
Yeah.
You're so pretty.
Yo. Be quiet, I'm on the phone. Who is you talking to like that?
Yeah. Oh, y'all know my name. I'm Cassidy. That's cute.
Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Hey. At time. Be quiet, I'm on the phone. Who is you talking to like that? Who is you talking to? Who is you talking to like that? Like, just like that. Oh my gosh, she took my wig like that. Who are you talking to like that? I gotta put my wig back on, y'all. Don't laugh at me. Stop, y'all. Oh my god. How do I turn this off? Y'all, she took my wig off. She messed up my lace fronts. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. At time. Yo. What you doing? Yeah. Be quiet. Who is you talking to like that? Who is you talking to like that? Who is you talking to like that? Don't play with me. Oh my god. You see how he got up the phone mad quick? He said, "Oh, hey, mommy called you, Nalia." At time, I'm on the phone right now. I'm not doing that. Still, mommy called you. I'm not doing all that right now. That's respectful.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh, this would have looked
At
like
time. At time.
cold as
What you doing?
degrees. Shit just got done smoking.
Nana, did you finish doing the action to do? You don't freaking listen! I'm not doing all that right now. I'm not doing all that. What the hell are you doing? Get off the damn thing and finish doing what you gotta do, man! I'm gonna keep cleaning this house by my damn self! At time.
What's up? At time?
What you doing?
Nothing. I'm chilling.
As you should, as you should.
Y'all finished doing what y'all have to do?
Were you from New
Why
York?
you keep playing around with the stuff? Who the hell? You on the phone?
What part?
Who are you talking to?
I'm on the phone.
Why are you on the phone? Finish do what you gotta do. Get off the phone. Hang the damn phone up. Where's my bell?
Hey,
Hello. What's up?
at time. What you doing?
Nothing. We just had to argue with this British girl.
For real,
And she
girl?
was
Yo,
Yes,
did you finish doing what you had to do? Hello? Who you on the phone with?
Ma, you doing a move.
Who the fuck you ain't doing the mouth?
Except he's from Oklahoma. 19 from Oklahoma. Hey,
What's up?
add some time. What you doing?
Boy, just sitting, looking.
That's crazy.
Why does it smell like that in here?
But how was your day?
Cause I gotta go. No.
My day was good.
You didn't finish
That's
doing what you had to
good.
do?
I literally looked.
Hello,
I
who
literally
you on the
got
phone with?
fired.
I asked you to go make sure you finish washing those dishes.
No, you doing
Who?
it.
What, I'm doing too much? I'm doing too much? Get up! Get off the phone!
Yo, he was literally sitting there like, oh my god.
My turn. Alright, wait. Yo, I think
They put some people ready.
He's from New York? Alright, he joined. Now he joined. Hey, add time.
Mommy called you.
Right now.
Add time.
Speak up. Search my memory, my enemy. I couldn't find one.
Hey.
Last night I was getting
Mommy
my
called
feet
you.
rubbed.
Stop! I'm on the phone. Who's you talking to like that?
Yo!
Yes.
Why would you pull my wig off?
Sure. And the phone. And proceed to live.
Hey,
Hey, what's poppin'?
what's poppin'? Add some
Your
time.
walls are purple, son.
Add some time.
I never seen shiny purple walls before.
Yo, how that go? Mommy called you.
I'm having a conversation.
Mommy called you.
I'm having a conversation.
What you mean?
Bro, stop getting crazy.
No, what you mean? I'm not about to say what you mean.
Why would you pull my wig off on the phone? But literally, these people aren't giving me the reactions that I want to get, so I'm a little annoyed. But you know how that go. None too bad, none too big, none too major. Hey,
Hello.
add some time. What you doing?
Working out.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you.
My arms hurt so much.
Yeah, Nalia.
Yeah,
Mommy called you.
I'm doing something right now.
Mommy called you.
And I'm doing something right now.
Who's you talking to like
Get your
that?
hands out my face, bro.
Who's you talking
bro,
to
get
like
your hands
that?
out my face, bro.
Who's you talking to like that? Who's you talking to like
Why
that?
would you pull my wig up and I'm on the phone?
Oh!
I'm sorry. Okay, black people friendly. Hey. Add some time. Add some time.
Alright.
What y'all doing?
We're just sitting.
Huh?
We looking for babies.
Nalia, mommy called you.
Alright, but I'm doing something right now.
Mommy called you.
And I'm doing something right now.
Who's you
I'm not
talking
about to argue with you.
Who's you talking to?
Oh my god, that's not embarrassing.
Stop playing with me. I'll embarrass you on this thing.
Oh, that shit came off. She was
I will embarrass you on this thing.
God,
I will embarrass you. I embarrassed you.
Why would you pull my wig off?
I embarrassed you. What you gonna do about it?
Y'all, I look better with or without a wig.
You still don't get the fact that mommy called you.
And I'm busy right now.
What you talking to like that? Like I'm playing with you.
Yo, why would you take my wig
Like
off
I'm
though,
playing
and I'm
with you.
on the phone?
Like I'm playing with you. Like I'm playing with you.
Hey, add some time. Add some time. Well, you sound good. Add some time. I kept telling him to add some time. He could sing. I was trying to show you my wig coming off. We're gonna get kawaii response. Should we? We should, right?
Hello?
Hi, Kawaii.
Hey, what's up?
Show your face. Go on the light real quick. I need to talk to you about something serious. Turn on your light. I need to talk to you about something serious.
I feel like you're pranking me, but okay.
I'm not.
Alright, go ahead.
No, you gotta turn on your light. You're mad dark right now. I could barely see you.
Nalia, mommy called you.
I'm doing something right now.
Nalia, mommy called you.
And I'm doing something right now.
I don't care. Mommy called you.
Okay.
Mommy called you. Gosh.
So I just got him and all those people on the monkey app. If y'all want to see a part 2, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment part 2 with mad exclamation point so I can give y'all another funny part 2. Period. If y'all want to see some more funny videos, let me know. Without further ado,